friend, welcome to my new video with you learn from Lambert. So today with another video tutorial, but all that after this short break. Today I'm going to show you how to pin an app on Android device. So first of all you go to the setting here, and after that you go here, scroll down until you find biometric and security. Click on it, and after that you go down also and search for other security settings. Just click on it, and after that down you can find here pin windows. Like you see, sorry, it's you will find it off. So just click on it or turn it on like this. Okay. Now let's go. For example, let's go to YouTube. So we search for this video. If you give your phone to your friend to anyone, he cannot exit the app. Okay. So how to do this is very simple. Okay, you can see here. So go down to the multitask button here. Just you can see here. You click on the logo of the YouTube or any app you want, and you can see down the pin this app like this. Just click on it, and so you can see here turn on pin window. To unpin this app, touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. Okay, I will show you how to do this. Just click OK. And now you see, for example, we are in this video. For example, we are in this video, and no one, so he cannot, like you see this impact bug, he cannot get out of YouTube. So you will not get out of YouTube. Okay. So how to unpin this is very simple. Like he said before, to hold the two here, back and the recent button, just hold the two of them, hold them at the same time like this. Voila. And you can see now now he will ask you about the password. Okay. Voila. And like this, you can now see you can get exit any app you want. That's all for today, my friend. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel if you are new. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.